Yes, I agree, motivation is powerful. Motivation feels powerful, lalo na after a big win and of course, after a painful loss and you promise yourself na, okay, this time, nagbabago na talaga ako. But in reality, yung motivation natin nag-i-spike lang yan eh. Ano sunod mangyayari? Mag-fade na naman yan. But traders who have discipline, yung discipline kasi guys, it is quiet, it is boring, and it is unattractive. Pero yung discipline na ginagawa mo, it compounds. Ano itsura ng discipline? Sabihin natin, mag-journal ka ng trade mo. So right now, siguro nakakatamad siya. Pero kung ginawa mo siya within 5 days nagawa mo siya, sunod yan, gagawin mo yung pang 6 day hanggang makumpleto mo yung 30 days. And pag binalikan mo yung journal mo, magugulat ka na lang na, uy, kaya ko pala gawin yon. And that's discipline. That's what it looks like to be disciplined. Even ako, no, hindi rin naman ako perfect na trader. Hindi rin naman ako malupit or magaling. Pero the thing that I can lean on is yung discipline. Kasi discipline will never fail you. But motivation can fail you. Kasi once na build mo na yon, you already know what it looks like. Alam mo na ang itsura nun. Kaya whenever you fall from that discipline, alam mo at na-visualize mo, ganito dapat yung ginagawa ko eh. Ganito dapat yung action or step na ginagawa ko. Because, syempre, no, hindi rin naman ako perfect. May mga time din na social media, that's another part ng minsan pagiging undisciplined ko. Pero syempre, babalik ulit ako na, oh wait lang parang nakakaisang oras na ako nag-i-scroll dito Okay. So, nakakabalik agad ako. I always remember na, ito dapat yung ginagawa ko. And very important na ma-visualize nyo siya at magawa nyo siya. Kasi once na magawa mo yon at makita mo na ito yung itsura nun, madali ka makakabalik sa discipline na yun. Kaya kung naboboard ka, push mo lang talaga. Push mo lang. At the end of the day, you will benefit from that.